Okay guys, if you have a loud screeching noise coming from your inducer motor and it's not the bearings, most likely you have a dead bird in your draft inducer motor housing, and that's probably what's causing the noise. Uh, this is exactly what I'm hearing, so I'm going to show you guys what that sounds like and how you can fix it yourself. So as you guys can hear, I do have a dead bird in my draft inducer motor housing. So I'm going to shut it off and show you guys in a bit. But as soon as the blower motor turns on, so if you guys have an issue with your furnace, most likely it's your draft inducer motor. Again, if you don't suspect bad bearings and you hear an unusual noise coming from it, most likely you may have a dead bird in your draft inducer motor, and that's probably what's causing the noise. You could easily fix this, but you will probably have to remove the combustion chamber panel to do it. Most likely you're going to have to clean it out, but you will have to remove the entire draft inducer motor assembly to do that. So then we can get the dead bird out of there and then we can clean it. So first of all, turn off the power to the furnace before you do that. This will ensure that you don't have power to the furnace when you do this method. So I just wanted to show you guys what that sounded like and how you can fix it. So if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe, and always check out some of my other videos. So yeah,